So here are the three best things about this washer drain pump replacement, okay? First, it helps solve some of the most common washer problems, including slow draining, standing water, drainage error codes, and unusual pump noises, okay? Second, it's designed as a direct replacement for many LG, Kenmore, and GE washing machine models, making it an affordable alternative to an expensive service call or appliance replacement, right? And third, it's relatively simple to install. Okay, with basic tools and the correct model match, many homeowners can replace the pump themselves and get their washer back up, and running quickly. Okay, so if your washing machine isn't draining properly and this part matches your model, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.